We'll guide you through how to open Google Docs using the most current methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google homepage by typing www.google.com into the address bar. Make sure you're logged into your Google account by checking the top right corner for your profile picture or initials. If you're not signed in, click on the blue Sign In button and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the grid icon next to your profile picture in the upper right corner of the page. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list of Google services. Here, you'll want to find and click on Docs. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to scroll down a bit or click More to expand the list. After you click on Docs, the Google Docs homepage will open in a new tab. From here, you can start a new document by clicking on the blank page thumbnail labeled Blank under the Start a New Document section. Alternatively, you can choose a template by selecting Template Gallery if you need a specific layout for your document. If you have existing documents, they will appear below under Recent Documents, and you can access any of them by clicking on their titles. Once you've opened a document, you can start typing and using the various tools available to format and edit your text. Google Docs automatically saves your progress, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. And that's how you can easily open and start using Google Docs on your desktop. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.